Okay, very well. Now that we've seen what a complete annual report looks like, it would be great to learn some more about how it is prepared. Every company has employees who are responsible for gathering its financial information and using it in order to produce useful financial statements. In our second lesson, we said that financial statements are prepared according to a specific set of rules, local accounting principles, or international accounting standards. But who oversees whether companies do in fact respect these guidelines and do not manipulate their financial statements? This is the task of auditing firms. Since its introduction, the need for certain companies' financial statements to be audited by an independent external auditor has been a cornerstone of confidence in the world's financial systems. The benefit of an audit is that it provides assurance that management has presented a true and fair view of the company's financial performance and position. Companies produce financial statements that provide information about their financial position and performance. This information is used by a wide range of stakeholders in making economic decisions. Typically, those that own a company, the shareholders, are not the ones managing the company. Therefore, the owners of these companies, as well as other stakeholders such as banks, suppliers, and customers, take comfort from independent assurance that the financial statements fairly represent the company's financial position and performance. To enhance the degree of confidence in the financial statements, a qualified external party, or auditor, is engaged to examine the financial statements, including related disclosures produced by management. In many cases, this is required by law. All financial statements include a note from their auditor, which certifies, or doesn't, the credibility of the figures within the report. This is an important topic because it helps us realize what is behind the final figures that we see in the financial statements of large companies.